Hey, what's going on YouTube? Back with another unboxing video. This time it's a dash cam. As you can see here, shout out to Amazon for bringing a rather large box. I mean, I'm sure you people who have ordered from Amazon know that sometimes they just love wasting boxes. So out of the big box came this. This is the dash cam. It's called BluVolt. And currently in my car, I'm using somewhat of a GoPro type camera. It's all right, but the thing is, it uses a lithium battery, and because of that, and because of where I live in Florida, the heat, it gets so hot down here that the battery starts to expand. So I was researching and found out that the capacitive ones are better to use. You don't have to worry about expanding or anything, and or exploding on you, and that for that matter. But let's quickly get into it. The one thing I do like about this one, it has almost the same specs as my GoPro type camera, minus that this one is 1080p and the other one can shoot in 4K, but at the same time, you know, it's limited to, I believe, 64, and this the max is 128 gigabytes. So just go ahead and open this guy up, and trust me guys, a dash cam is a must in every single car. It makes you, well, first of all, I'm a safe driver, but if you have dash cams in your car, it will discipline you to drive better, because of course you don't want to, you know, have it snitch on yourself and you're the one that's at fault and you have proof that you're at fault. So go get a dash cam, especially over here in Florida. Many crazy drivers, I've seen a lot during my time I've had with the GoPro knockoff in my car. Okay, so a simple box. You have what seems to be the camera there. That's how it will look there, and not much else on the box. Let's go ahead and pop this open. Okay. And here's the camera itself. Rather small. I thought it would be bigger, due to the picture. But let's go ahead and pop this out. It looks like a miniature camera itself. Look at that. Just take little pictures. But yes, what I love about the other one I had is it had a 170-degree view angle, and so does this, so you capture more on the recording. So taking a look, like I said, it looks like a miniature camera, literally. This one has a bigger screen than the previous one I have. I think the other one I had was like 1.3. This is 2.7. Let's go leave that on for now. Let's see what else is in the box. Okay, we have this, the adapter, and suction device to put it on the window, and a little pamphlet. Nice to have. A lot of companies now, they don't provide that. So let's go ahead and pack this up, push that off to the side, and pop this open. Now let's see what kind. So yes, this is kind of funny. It uses the really old school USB. Look at this. Fairly simple. Let's go ahead and take this off. And there you have it. Looking at the menu, your power up and down, and I'm guessing that's for the menu itself to go straight into the menu. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the car and show you guys the quality and then give you my feedback.